Hi student, how are you? I hope all are fine. Okay, welcome to next session, that is fill in the blanks using greater or smaller or is equal to sign. That symbols we have to use. Symbols, that is greater or smaller symbols we are using. Using that one, comparing numbers. We are comparing the numbers and we are inserting the symbols. Now, before that, we will do one small activity. We will do one small activity. Yes, these are symbols we are using. These are symbols. Greater or smaller. These are symbols we are using. Greater or smaller, that we are using symbols. These are symbols we are using. Now, let us do one activity. Here we are keeping one Fevi stick, and here we are keeping pen. Now we are keeping this side pen and one side Fevi stick. Now look at these objects, and which side is the biggest? Which side is the biggest one? Object is big in both the case. Fevi stick or marker pen. Which one is the biggest one among these two? Yes, very good children. This marker is the biggest one. Marker is biggest one. Then how to show using symbols? We want to show this in mathematics symbols. Now we have, these are the symbols we are using. Greatest. Which side? That biggest object. Yes, this marker pen is the biggest one. This is the biggest or long. This is a small. Fevistick is a small and marker pen is a big one. Then how to insert these symbols? We are inserting these symbols. These symbols we are using. See here. Where the object is biggest, that side the mouth should be open. The mouth should be open. Here in this case, marker pen is the biggest. Compared to this Fevistick, we are comparing to object. We are comparing to object. In this case, marker pen is the biggest. So we are inserting this symbol like this. We are inserting the symbols like this. Where the object is big, that side mouth should be open. The symbol's mouth should be open. See here. And this edge point shows that in front of that this one, the symbols in front of this symbol, object is small, where the 2 points will meet. Okay, here in this case, mouth is open. Mouth is open. Mouth should be open where the object is big. In this side, object is big. So the mouth is opened. Mouth is open. That this symbol we are using. Yes, this is a symbol using. This symbol we are using. Now another one I will take here. Next, I am using, this is a chalk. I am using chalk. Chalk I am using, and one side I am using sharpener or any object. This is a eraser. Okay. Now eraser is this side and chalk is this side. Now compare these two objects. Which side is the biggest one? Chalk is the big one. Chalk is the big one. and this side, right side, this ma eraser is a small one. Eraser is a small one. Then how to insert this symbol? We are inserting like this. Yes, children, see here. Where the object is big, that side, we have to insert like this. That open the mouth, the crocodile mouth. Crocodile, how it will open its mouth? Like that, like that. It is open. The mouth is open. Mouth is open. Here in the first case, right side, my right hand side object is big one and left side object is small. Marker pen is a bigger and we are comparing to this Fevistick. That time we are inserting the symbol like this. The mouth should be opened in front of that bigger object. Now in this case, second one, chalk is bigger compared to this eraser. Then we are inserting the symbol like this. We are inserting the symbol like this. The mouth should be open. Mouth is open and it is turned. See that. Here it is mouth is open and this side it is turned. And this side object is big one. Then we are inserting like this. Yes, I hope you understood this one. Now we will go to problem solving. We will go to problem solving. Now we will take one first example. We will take first example. 9426. In this case, in first problem, 94 is the biggest. Yes, very good. 94 is the biggest compared to this number 26. Then how to insert this symbol? Upside the symbols are given, greater or smaller or is equal to. Among these three we have to use the symbols and we have to insert symbol. Now 94 is the biggest. Then we will insert like this. The mouth should be open where the number is biggest. That side mouth should be open. Now mouth should be opened in front here, this side. Why? Because number is big one. Where the number is big, that side mouth should be open. It indicates that in front of this where the mouth is open, that side number is big. Mouth is where that mouth is open, that side number is big, and at that point, in front of this point, it shows that the number is small. Yes, now we will go to next, second one, 65 and 75. If we are compare these two numbers, here in this case 75 is the biggest. Yes, very good children. Now how to insert these symbols? Yes, very good children. This side the symbol is this side, the 75 is the biggest, so the mouth should be open in this side. Yes, very good children. Now third one, we will go to next third one, 77 and 48. Now which symbol, which symbol we have to use? Yes, very good. 77 is the biggest number. Then we have to insert this symbol, that crocodile mouth. The crocodile mouth should be open. Mouth should be open that side. Yes, number is big this side. The mouth should be open. Very good children. Fantastic. Now in this 81 and 65, which one is the biggest number? If both the compare, very good children, 81 is the biggest one. Then we have to insert this symbol. Very good. 68 and 68. Now which symbol we have to use? Very good children. Both the side numbers are same. Both side numbers are same. Means both the numbers are equal. Both the numbers are equal. Then how to show this one? Equal sign we are using. Is equal to. Equal. Is equal to we are using. Yes. Very good. Now sixth one. 74 and 47. 74 and 47. Yes, very good children. Fantastic. We have to insert like this. 47 is the smallest and 74 is the biggest number compared to that two numbers. Now we will go to next seventh one. 525, 620. 525, 620. Then which symbol we have to use? Yes, in first we have to compare this 100 place. First we have to compare this 100 place. Here first is 500. Next here it is 600. Among these two numbers, which one is the biggest one? 600. Very good. 600 is the biggest. Then we have to insert this symbol. 600 is bigger. Then mouth should be open at the 600. The mouth should be open at where? Which side? In 600. That where that 600 is there. That side. The mouth should be open. Very good children. Simple. Logic you have to apply. Only you have to apply logic. Now we will go to next. 518, 318. Yes, very good children. 500 is a bigger compared to 318. Now 145 and 415. Yes, very good children. 400 is a bigger. 522 and 522. Once again, yes, very good. Both the numbers are equal, 522 and 522. Both sides. Means we are inserting is equal to symbol. We are using is equal to symbol. Now next 628 and 940. 628 and 940. Among these two numbers, 900 is the biggest one. Obviously, we have to insert that symbol. The mouth should be open where the number is big one. Yes, fantastic children. Now 847, 478. Among these, 800 is the biggest one. Yes. Now we have to insert this symbol. Yes children, now we will wind up this class. In next session, again we will meet in next class, and once again we will solve that, fill in the blanks using that symbols. Okay. Bye children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.